We are here at Diamond, a member of Epic, and they make in the whole world the best optical connectors. You may be doubting that, but Ahmed is going to tell us exactly why are these the best optical connectors in the world.
Yeah, because of our perfect technology, we have titanium ferrule. So,
So as we can see over here, you have
yeah.
a titanium ferrule,
Yeah,
but it's
correct.
not just the fact that you make a titanium
No,
ferrule that makes
no,
it special.
no.
I mean,
But we can do with the titanium ferrule perfect technology, the active core alignment.
you have an active core alignment,
Yeah, sure.
and that is what makes it special.
Yes.
How do others do it?
They only
Well,
have
let's
a
not care
ceramic
how they
ferrule.
do it, but what results do the others achieve?
They only have a ceramic ferrule, so this take the price low because you don't need to do an active core alignment. This is a second step. You don't need it. But for the perfect solution, you have to do this because you can take the core into the middle and have a perfect bridge between the connectors.
Exactly in the middle, and you're talking about perfection. You're based
Yeah.
in Switzerland, correct?
Yeah.
Switzerland is really known for this precision area.
Yeah,
But
of
Switzerland is also not known to be the cheapest place. How affordable are these products? Are they cheap? Do you want
No,
to be cheap?
they ain't cheap. We are not the cheapest because
Oh, why? Well, not why, but you don't mind that they are not the cheapest.
yeah, I mean we are selling quality, and quality has its price. So we are producing everything in house, so we can follow the steps from first until to the
So
last.
you produce in-house, you follow all of that for the quality. How much do you produce? High volume?
Like 3,000 a week.
3,000 a week.
Yes.
Well, that's quite impressive.
Yeah,
High
sure.
volume, very precise.
Yes.
Not the cheapest, but for high-end stuff. So which markets do you then target?
I have telecommunication first of all, but also military, medicine, space.
Okay, so I can see that these are markets which are very demanding. Well, you have a fantastic company, have actually
Thank
been
you.
over there, it's a great one, and I'm really proud you're a member of Epic
Nice to meet
because Epic members truly drive the photonics revolution.